What is going on, you guys? Ramny here with a brand new video for you. And before we get into doing actual tutorials, I just wanted to show up in camera here and say hi, how's it going? And thank you so much for being patient. It's been a long time. It really has. And it was an unexpected uh, hiatus that I had to take. But yeah, I am back and I'm hoping that this is going to be more consistent and we'll be here for a lot longer period. You have like 2 years worth of stuff to catch up on, to do drawing tutorials on, that kind of thing. YouTube has changed. So all of that stuff I'm all trying to figure out. I'm also like remodeling, redecorating the room here, the studio, and yeah, all of that is taking some time. I'm actually going to be using YouTube for different ways now. I'm going to be doing tutorials, obviously, but I also want to add a couple more like YouTube Shorts and all that stuff. YouTube Shorts never used to be a thing when I quit YouTube or when I stopped making YouTube videos, but now YouTube Shorts is a thing, and I want to integrate it into the drawittoo channel somehow. So expect some changes in the channel. I'm still trying to figure out, um, everything, like the routine, how everything used to function back in the back in the day. I actually kind of forgot. Even talking in front of the camera like this is kind of uncomfortable now because I'm not used to it again. So trying to get that groove back is an issue. So yeah, I'll slowly get over it. Not a big deal. Um, there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of characters. There's a lot of TV shows. Marvel Phase 4 happened. Bunch of DC stuff happened. Bunch of video games have come out. Bunch of TV shows have come out, and all of that. We can all go back and do all of those things, and also at the same time going forward and looking at what movies are playing now, what movies are playing a little bit further ahead, and doing tutorials on those as well. So that's what I'm here for, you guys. And yeah, again, thank you so much for being patient. For those of you who have stuck with me for so long, I'm very flattered with the comments that I've gotten in my YouTube shorts that I've posted and my Instagram reels. It's been heartwarming, to say the least. Like when I left the YouTube channel because of life stuff, I'll get into all of that in a different video. When I left the YouTube channel, there was this like tremendous amount of guilt that I had because I felt like I was letting everybody down. But life happened, like I had to. It wasn't an easy decision for me to kind of step back from the YouTube channel because it was something that I actually enjoyed doing and I love doing. So I'm going back into it now, feeling a little bit nervous about it. I'm not gonna lie. Nervous because, again, like I'm not used to this routine, not used to talking in front of the camera, but also I have a lot of expectations for myself. And I know that you guys probably don't want to be disappointed again. So I want to put out like good quality stuff. Hopefully, you guys still have, you guys are still in your art journey and that you're willing to allow me to be a part of that. So yeah, that's all of that. And what else am I trying to say here? Like, there's, I have so many big ideas, and I just want to get started. That's what it is. I just want to get started, and hopefully I don't disappoint. I have a brand new setup, and I'll show you guys all of that in a like different YouTube shorts. So that's what I want to integrate into YouTube shorts. But also, I've noticed that a lot of people are making YouTube shorts and discussing a whole bunch of other stuff that's not necessarily related to art. So, for example, how you feel about your art style, how like different ways of, or different discussions, different topics that they integrate into YouTube shorts. So that's the kind of stuff that I want to integrate. Yeah, so things are kind of work wise, like I still have a full-time job, by the way. I'm a teacher, if you guys didn't know that. That's still going on. So I still have that job and I'm still doing this, so I'm still doing like half and half. So hopefully I will have like a routine set up so that I can consistently produce stuff for you guys. Um, yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to say hi and thank you all for all of your patience or sticking around for so long. So many of you have mentioned how you guys were like super young when you guys started watching my videos, and you guys have grown up quite a bit. So very flattering to know that I've been a part of your journey growing up. So anyway, YouTube tutorial coming up soon, very very soon. There's just a whole bunch of stuff that I need to like. I need this whole thing to kind of function properly right now. So right now it's kind of, they are where they're supposed to be, like all of my materials, all my equipment, but there's still some stuff that I need to rearrange in order for things to run efficiently. So that's what I'm working on. And like all the YouTube thumbnails, I gotta work on those, make sure that those are all good. Um, yeah, like all of the background stuff, make sure that those are all okay. Anyway, if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at the monitors, and I'll show you guys again. I'll show you my YouTube setup in a different video, but that's that. So I'll give you a couple of hints, I guess, as to what I'm going to be drawing soon. Let's see. Hint number one. This isn't going to be in order, so these are just ideas that I have in my head of what I'm going to draw first. Hint number one is going to be related to the moon. Hint number two, day of the week. That one's easy. Hint number three, these are all different characters, by the way. And hint number three, bunch of blue people. Anyway, there's a lot to catch up on, and hopefully I'll be able to pump out like lots of tutorials for you guys to try, because that's pretty much what I want to do, is just to put out as much content as possible, because I feel like I missed so much. I really did. And even before I left YouTube, I was like slowing down to making like 2 tutorials a week, or 1 tutorial a week, which was very very slow. So I'm hoping to ramp it up a little bit. So fingers crossed, that's my goal. I don't want to disappoint you guys again, you know what I mean? So there's a bit of pressure, not gonna lie. But anyway, part of my YouTube like comeback, I guess you could say, is like showing you guys all this stuff too, because this is all the stuff that I'm proud of. It's the stuff that I am interested in, and I would love to share my interest with you guys as well. And hopefully that doesn't distract you guys. If you're just here for the tutorials, all good, because I'm going to be making tutorials as well. But if you guys are interested in knowing who these guys are, Galactus, Sentinel, Spider-Man, Deadpool, and all those action figures, I am more than interested in showing you guys all of that stuff. Okay. I'm rambling, no idea why I'm rambling, but yeah, that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video tutorial, coming very very soon, next couple of days or so. All right, take care you guys.